Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can disable sound effects over on the Babbel app. So if you want to disable sound effects, then the first thing you need to do is actually open the Babbel app, just like this. Once you've done that, simply all you want to do is go to the top right corner of your screen at home, here on that profile icon, and then go to the top left corner of your screen and click on that settings icon. Once you've done that, simply head over into settings, and then just scroll a little bit down, and right here you will find sound effects. And all you need to do is disable sound effects, and that's all we need to do in order to basically disable sound effects. So if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in the next YouTube tutorial video.